Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we're going to see how you can transfer apps to your new iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to make sure that you are using the exact same iCloud account that you previously used on your old iPhone. And after making sure that you are using the exact same account, you can now open your App Store. And on your App Store, you'll have to now go to your profile, for which you can tap on the top right corner that you can see right here. So after doing that, here you can see my account has been opened. And from here, you can confirm that you are using the exact same account from your previous iPhone. And from here, you can now tap on the apps option that you can see right here. After tapping on apps here, you can see these are the applications that you can simply just transfer to your new iPhone. So for example, here you can see there are various applications which currently have the open option, and there are also various applications that currently has a cloud-like icon. Those cloud-like icon is not currently installed on this phone, but it has previously been installed on your older phone. So you can simply just tap on that cloud-like icon that you can see right here in order to download it to your phone. Just like this, I'm going to tap on this Food Panda. So after tapping on it here, you can see now the download process is being started. And after the download process has successfully been completed, just like that, you'll successfully be able to transfer your applications to your new iPhone. And yeah, that is it. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.